Imagine spending hours cutting perfect joints, carefully measuring every line, only to have your chisel crush the wood instead of slicing through it. Tear out. Ragged edges. Poor fitting joints. Many beginners think they're doing something wrong. But often, the real problem is the chisel. Today, we're looking at the most popular woodworking chisels to find out which ones are actually worth buying, and which ones belong back on the store shelf. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which chisels deserve a place in your workshop. Let's get started. Before choosing a chisel, it's important to understand that not all chisels are designed for the same job. Different woodworking tasks require different chisel designs. Using the wrong one can make even simple work much harder. The most common type is the bench chisel. If you could only own one style, this would be it. Bench chisels are designed for general woodworking. They're used for trimming joints, cleaning dados, paring end grain, removing waste, and fitting hardware. They're the most versatile chisels available and belong in every workshop. Next, bevel-edge chisels. These are very similar to bench chisels, but their sides are ground thinner. That small difference allows them to reach into tight spaces such as dovetails and fine joinery. Because of this, they're the preferred choice for furniture makers and cabinet builders. If you enjoy precision hand-cut joinery, a quality bevel-edge chisel is difficult to beat. Now let's talk about Mortise chisels. Unlike bench chisels, Mortise chisels are much thicker and stronger. They're designed specifically for chopping deep mortises where heavy mallet strikes are required. The extra thickness prevents bending while allowing large amounts of material to be removed safely. Trying to cut deep mortises with a standard bench chisel often risks damaging the blade. Japanese chisels offer another interesting option. Their laminated steel construction combines an extremely hard cutting edge with a softer steel backing. This provides outstanding edge retention while maintaining toughness. Many experienced woodworkers appreciate how long Japanese chisels stay sharp. However, they often require different sharpening techniques compared to Western chisels. Now let's discuss steel quality. This is one of the biggest differences between inexpensive and premium chisels. Budget chisels usually use softer steel. They're easy to sharpen, but lose their edge quickly. Premium chisels use higher quality tool steels that stay sharp much longer. Although sharpening may take slightly more effort, they require sharpening far less often. For anyone who spends significant time woodworking, better steel quickly becomes worthwhile. Handle construction also matters. Wooden handles absorb mallet impacts comfortably and provide a traditional feel. Hardwood handles such as beech, hornbeam, or ash remain popular among professionals. Modern chisels sometimes use impact-resistant composite handles. These are extremely durable, especially for heavy construction work. For fine furniture making, many woodworkers still prefer wood. Another important feature is blade thickness. Thin blades provide excellent control during delicate paring work. Thicker blades resist flexing during heavier chopping. Choosing the correct balance depends on the type of projects you build most often. Let's talk about sharpening. Even the best chisel in the world becomes useless when dull. A sharp chisel should slice cleanly through end grain, leave smooth surfaces, and require very little force. Regular sharpening with quality stones or diamond plates is part of normal chisel maintenance. Fortunately, good chisels usually sharpen faster and hold their edge longer than cheaper alternatives. So, should beginners buy the cheapest chisel set available? Usually not. Many inexpensive sets require significant sharpening before they even become usable. Some never perform particularly well regardless of sharpening. Instead, buying fewer, higher quality chisels often provides better long-term value. A simple set containing 6mm, 12mm, 19mm, and 25mm chisels covers most woodworking tasks. As your skills improve, additional specialty chisels can always be added later. At the end of the day, a chisel isn't just another cutting tool. It's one of the few tools that allows complete control directly by hand. Whether you're fitting joints, cleaning corners, or creating fine details, a sharp, well-made chisel makes woodworking more enjoyable and far more accurate. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which chisel brand has been the most reliable in your workshop? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking buying guides, tool comparisons, workshop upgrades, and practical tips to help you build smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.